person contains different writings. One word different was not different. The market doors were to be something than another. There were mother, the maker is better, but be careful as you walk through the woods. Don't stop along the way, for the big bad wolf might kill you, said mother. Don't worry, mother, I'll be very careful. Promised Little Red Riding Hood. On her way, flowers. How shocked the big bad wolf. Where you go, Little Red, said the big bad wolf. You might well have met Little Red Riding Hood. On her way, but the sneaky old wolf ran ahead of Little Red. The tiger went up and jumped into her milk. When Little Red arrived, she went into Grandma's room and she saw a strange sight. She said, "Oh, Grandma, what a big ears you have! Or to better to hear you eat, little girl," said the big bad wolf. She went a little closer. "Oh, Grandma, what a big eyes you have! Or to better to see you eat, little girl," said the big bad wolf. And she went a little more closer. "Oh, Grandma, what a big teeth you have! Or to better to eat you eat," cried the big bad wolf. The wolf quickly outshot from the bed, making Little Red scream. "Ah!" and run away, and he's never been seen to this very day. From then on, Little Red Riding Hood was more careful not to talk to strangers while walking through the woods. The end.
The moral